Sri Lanka under the pressure after the results from the previous series against England, or will they come back stronger? Starting up with you, Janvi, what is your take on this?
I feel, Varnika, the very first thing is that it's not about being in pressure or coming back stronger or something. But the very fact which I know is that there are 159 ODIs if you look at Stats Park. So there are 159 ODIs played between India and Sri Lanka. And if you see that, if you look at Sri Lanka stats, then they have almost lost 54 ODIs and almost 34 T20s. So I don't feel that the statements which were coming from the Lankan side that okay, the India's team B is going to tour them and all that stuff. So these statements should not come because whoever is touring Sri Lanka, they are very they are very important part of the Indian team. It's not like it's string B, and it is not something we can differentiate between the core team and the string B team. And they are all. I mean, it was said from BCCI also that 14 members from that squad have played for any three formats from the Indian side. So I feel that of course Sri Lanka will be under pressure, and also Shikhar Dhawan I feel is such a experienced player, and of course it was his first time he's making his debut. He's the 25th ODI captain, and at the age of 35 years, he's breaking the record from the national side of being making his captaincy debut. So I feel that Shikhar Dhawan individually also have very good stats against Sri Lanka. If you look at his performance, because in ODI also he has somewhere around 4 centuries, and in fact, in the T20s also, he's holding 350 half century records. So I feel that Dhawan individually and as a captain will perform well.
Yeah. So, what do you think, Shubhendu, on this point? What's your take on this?
As we all know, due to COVID, everything has just collapsed. So same happened with Sri Lankan team also. Their batting coach, Mr. Grant Power, their team analysis has also like got COVID positive. So it's a big blow for them because the Sri Lankan team are in a bit trouble because they are in quarantine now, and they have not decided the team yet. So I think Sri Lanka will face some difficulty in future because COVID is not going to like over just it's not going to over just now. It will take time.
Yeah. So, and guys, we all know that Dravid is often known to give chances for the players in the tour. So, will he use or will he adopt the similar strategy for an international match, or will he, maybe change the strategies? Talking to you, Mayank.
Yeah, when the squad was released, Dravid gave the statement that he will be giving every player a chance, at least one match, even if he hasn't played for the team. So I think he will be going with the same theory that at least give a chance to the boys that the boys are doing so much for the team. They're going in the hard quarantine also. They are taking all for the team. So I guess each and every player in the squad, except the net bowlers, I think net bowlers can also get a chance if there is an injury also, but they will get a chance, at least a match, according to me. Because Dravid is so brave-hearted, he is always doing experiments, he is always backing up his players. So I guess he will be a good fit for the Indian coach in the future also.
Okay, and I would like to ask Janvi, will the absence of, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma test Shikhar Dhawan's captaincy?
Yesterday only I was having a talk with one of the performance analyst from DC, and Mr. Sriram Somijlasa. And one thing which he stated, and which was so right, he stated that pressure and Shikhar Dhawan are ways apart. You can't compare Shikhar Dhawan and you can't compare pressure together. I mean, it's like whenever he is there in the dressing room, or whether he is there as a maybe as a captain or maybe as a player, as an individual, he keeps the aura so lively, so positive. So I don't think so there will be pressure on him. Of course, he will be having an added responsibility of leading the national side because it is his very first time. So that will be there. Otherwise, I don't think so that a lot of pressure will be built on Shikhar Dhawan. Also, if you look at the squad, that the T20 squad is very well experienced. In fact, the debutants which are there in the T20 squad have a very good experience of domestic cricket. Also, IPL in India has given a very good platform to them. So, leading the team with such experienced player, and also having Rahul Dravid as their head coach. So, I don't think so he will be there like added pressure will be there on him, but of course some added responsibilities will be there.
What do you think, Mayank?
Yeah, what I want to say is that Shikhar Dhawan was always that person in the group, who is always mocking everybody, is always chilling with everybody. Everybody know his thigh slap, his famous celebration. He's always ever smiling. Even if he gets out at 99, he'll be smiling. We saw that in IPL also that, he got out in 90s or so, he was still smiling. So he's that smiling guy. And he's all, if you have seen the episodes of Breakfast with Champion on YouTube, then you can conclude that he's a very humble and down to earth person and always taking it
Yeah.
with the team, always helping others also. And also he has captained the side of Sunrisers Hyderabad, I guess, and he wasn't so bad as it was presented. So he will be a very good captain. He will be a very good leader. Also, he will be backing up the younger boys too, according to me.
Yeah, actually, he's not, very much frustrated type, whereas Virat Kohli, he shows his anger on, the players. And yeah, so yeah, maybe, Shikhar Dhawan is a very good captain. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so coming on to this bowling part, so how important is it for Hardik Pandya to bowl in this Sri Lanka tour, because T20 is coming up, and then, we have an all-rounder spinner, that is Ravindra Jadeja. So how important is it for Hardik Pandya to perform? Because he's a fast bowler. So Shubhendu, can you just tell me your view on this?
So I think Hardik Pandya will perform well because he has not played since many time, like longer period of time, and he wants to perform well because Sri Lanka, he has performed well in the previous seasons, like in Asia Cup, in last Sri Lankan series. So I think he will perform well. And as you said about Ravindra Jadeja, as you all know, it's a top 10 all-rounders all over the world in all formats. So it's we can't compare Ravindra Jadeja and Hardik Pandya, but both are equally stand in their places, so we can't compare. But I think Indian team should give chance to Hardik Pandya because he is a class player. He's a classy player. He hits ball so hard. So I think Hardik Pandya has a good chance in the team.
Yeah. So apart from everything, who should, partner Dhawan at the top? Janvi, you can take this.
Who should partner Dhawan at the top? See, if you talk about this, then I was just actually, thinking that there are so many debutants and many of them as openers. So who can, partner him? But the very first name which comes into my mind is Prithvi Shaw, because there is a reason to it. Firstly, they both have played together for the same franchisee and camp, so they know the understanding that how to go about. Firstly, because they are the openers for that franchisee. Secondly, the compatibility is way much easier and the understanding is way much easier between both of them, if we compare to any other player. Also, if you remember, in this very first match of this season of IPL, it was almost 5 overs and they completed 100 runs partnership in the very first match, Prithvi and Dhawan both. So I feel, if you talk about the compatibility, then also Prithvi and Dhawan, and if you talk about their performance and whatever momentum they form, I feel that, Prithvi is the best option who can open up with Shikhar Dhawan. And also now the best part is that we've seen Prithvi back in form in IPL 2021. I mean, he had a very disastrous season in 2020, but he worked hard. And if you see his Ranji, the domestic season also, he led the team and they won. And I feel that now he is back in form and he's leading his team very well in the domestic side. And also, if you talk about IPL, which was recently concluded, we saw him doing pretty well and back in form. So I feel Prithvi will be my choice as an opener with Shikhar Dhawan.
What about Devdutt Padikkal? What do you guys think about him?
I think Devdutt Padikkal will be the best option, opening pair with Shikhar Dhawan, because as we have seen, he has played exceptional innings with RCB during the opening time. So I think Shikhar Dhawan and Devdutt Padikkal in 2020 series, they should open and they will score a big score in the power play.
Yeah.
So who all agrees to the fact that maybe there can be a possibility that the Indian team will include both the wicket keepers to see that who is a better option if Pant is not available for the upcoming World Cup, T20 World Cup.
So there's a high possibility. There's a high possibility that both can play together.
Yeah.
And one can keep, and obviously only one can keep, but I guess both can play. Sanju Samson also, and even Ishan Kishan and David can they are so flexible that we have seen in IPL also that they're so flexible that they can play at any position from 1 to 6. So
Yeah.
I guess that both can play together also, and even one can be dropped. And as I said, that Dravid will be giving all of them a chance. So it will be very good to see who will be getting the preference.
But I think somewhere Sanju Samson will be getting the chance to keep compared to, Ishan Kishan. Yeah, so wrapping up with the last one. So there are many, spinners picked for the tour. So can the reason be more on Sri Lankan pitches? Talking to you, Shubhendu.
Yes, as we all know, one of the greatest spinners of all time, Mr. Muthaiya Muralidharan, belongs to Sri Lanka. So I think that's why there is a reason we took more spinners than previous series, and we have seen in the previous season like Ajanta Mendes and Dhananjaya, who bowls very well in the matches. So that's why Indian team has picked many spinners like Rahul Chahal, Kuldeep Yadav, and many more spinners in the squad for the series.
Thank you so much, all of them. You all were really good at your, opinions. Everything was like really good. Thank you so much, Janvi, for spending time. I know you were like very busy with your schedule, but thank you so much, Mayank and Shubhendu, for, tuning in. Signing off for today.
Thank you, Varnika, for having us. And today, the very special thing is, I don't know, to be very honest, I'm still smiling and laughing looking at Shubhendu because he's just so like Sanju Samson. I'm just looking at him, I'm just staring at him, thinking that I'm talking to Sanju only, not Shubhendu.
I'm saying that please invite me during the session of Sanju Samson.
The doppelganger.
Winning.
Yeah, sure, for sure. We're going to invite Shubhendu now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you guys for joining in, and thank you, Varnika, for hosting my show.